Our big story tonight, a local mother outraged when a Facebook page making fun of child abuse steals her daughter's picture.
Alexandra Lewis worked to find out how this group even exists and why Facebook refuses to take down that controversial page. Alex.
This mom came to us today asking for our help, and she says she found out about this page making fun of baby shaken syndrome. So she goes there just to speak her mind, but the group lashes back out at her, stealing one of her photos and turning it into something pretty horrible.
We do not condone child abuse, but we will joke about it.
We had to join the National Baby Shakers League to see its content. Hundreds of pictures, memes, and jokes about child abuse. I talked to creator Matt Crowson from Fresno, California.
Dark humor, shock value.
So you find it funny? You laugh at these pictures?
That's hilarious.
When folks don't dig the league's sense of humor and speak up, fans of the page can get nasty, as Springfield mom Molly Palmer found out.
An administrator immediately gets on my page and steals my daughter's picture and adds a nasty caption to it.
This is Palmer's 13-month-old Peyton, whose picture was made into a crude meme.
It's heartbreaking.
If we can't laugh at the bad things, then this dark world is going to swallow us whole.
Crowson, a self-proclaimed internet troll and dad, says the group is about raising awareness.
Raising awareness of shaken baby syndrome and how dangerous it is.
How?
Well, as you can see how not to do it, why it's bad to do it.
But we noticed the awareness group is private, and there's no mention of any charities or a child abuse hotline.
It's kind of read between lines, because if someone didn't know about it, then they'll go and do the research.
Molly has tried tirelessly to get the picture taken down, but administrators refuse, and Facebook won't intervene, citing freedom of speech.
I'm not going to sit there and make something politically correct for everyone to be, oh, so nice and great. No, I don't work that way.
So you're not going to take the pictures down?
I will not take the pictures down.
It's disgusting, and she wasn't involved in this group in any way whatsoever. If they really have children, why don't they post pictures of their own children like that?
I talked to all three of the group's admins, and believe it or not, they're all parents themselves. They tell me they're not going to take little Peyton's picture down, but they did say from here on out they're going to change their policy so that you can't post stolen pictures on their site. Reporting live here in the newsroom tonight, Alexandra Lewis, Fox 45 News.